Climate change.
Climate
Changes.
Environmental pollution contributed to the deaths of about 9 million
Typhoon
people.
Juan made landfall before noon on Sunday.
Ramdam na ang epekto ng El Nino sa lahat ng bayan sa
In the Philippines, at least 70 people have died in floods caused by
Millions of gallons of water pouring through the Swat Valley, a force of nature with no
Drought is
respect.
affecting many areas, but the high cost of food and fuel is
This is what it's like in downtown New Orleans right now.
Typhoon Katsana has killed at least 86 people in the Philippines and
It's supposed to be harvest season, but it isn't turning out the way farmers in the northern Philippines had
With
hoped.
expected changes in the climate system, we expect
Climate change is resulting in extreme weather events all over the world.
Sari-saring uri ng mga ilegal na pinutol na kahoy ang nasabat ng mga otoridad.
Piling malaking problema sa Metro Manila ang mga basura sa mga sapa, ilog, pati na sa Manila.
Pero sa aming paglalayag papunta sa Isla Pulo sa Navotas, ito ang tumambad sa amin. Ayon sa pag-aaral ng Greenpeace, pinakamalaking pinagmumula ng polusyon sa mga ilog ang mga duming nanggagaling sa mga bahay.
Metro Manila counts almost 8 million vehicles.
Kada 24 oras, 36,000 tonelada ng basura ang nalilikas sa buong bansa. Guho ng naglalagablab na basura na nagpaliyab sa mahigit 100 bahay.
While the stars that oversprinkle all the heavens seem to twinkle with a crystal in the light, keeping time. What specks of dust are we, given a chance to see and breathe, the ring and ding of time, commencing with melancholy. It was tinkling at first, and then it became whispers. Now it's a ringing madness of bells, bells, bells. We hear bells. Nature has something to tell. We hear bells. How much terror swells. Oh, the bells, bells, bells. What a tale their terror tells of despair. Before air, water helped us breathe. Before soil, flesh was our cavern. We float, we swam, we fought for life. The first breath we took in, like a parched soil filled with sin. Our loud cries foretell things. Someone is gasping. Someone is crying. It's not us. It is within us. Hear the loud alarm bells. What tale of terror their turbulency tells. We walk our path, forward and back. We take and take and take. We cannot give nature a break. Is it hope that makes us alive? Greed will kill us alive. Do you see? Do you hear? The bells of nature it can't bear. Tick-tock our clock is what we hear. It's the planet's clock that we should fear. In the startled ear of night, how they scream out their affright. Too much horrified to speak, they can only shriek and shriek. Oblivion is upon us, ignorance consumes us, avarice leads us, we turn against us. The earth is not above, nor is it below. It is among us, a life among us. We were not made to devour, but we are becoming cancer. We swarm our host until all about it is lost. What horror they outpour on the bosom of the palpitating air. Yet the ear fully knows by the twanging and the clanging. Oh, the bells, bells, bells. What a tale their terror tells of despair. As I play my part to be heard, may one life emerge. From an abyss of our own making, may we hear the nature's bells.